John Gotti, a prominent figure in the American mafia, used a variety of business fronts and legitimate enterprises to conceal his involvement in organized crime. This video explores the facade of legitimacy created by Gotti through his business ventures, shedding light on the complex intertwining of illegal activities and seemingly lawful operations during his reign as the head of the Gambino crime family. Clothing and construction industries. One of the key business fronts utilized by John Gotti was the clothing and construction industries. Through the establishment of legitimate companies, Gotti funneled illicit funds and generated substantial revenue. Construction firms were particularly useful for multiple purposes, including money laundering, bid rigging, and extortion, allowing Gotti to maintain control over lucrative contracts and influence the construction sector. Waste management. Gotti also had a significant presence in the waste management industry. Under the guise of legitimate waste disposal companies, he engaged in illegal activities such as illegal dumping, illegal waste transportation, and fraud. These operations allowed Gotti to profit from illegal waste disposal while maintaining a cover of legitimacy through his connections and control over the industry. Nightclubs and restaurants. Gotti had a keen interest in the hospitality industry and utilized nightclubs and restaurants as fronts for criminal activities. By investing in these establishments, he could launder money, maintain influence in local communities, and establish social connections. These businesses also acted as meeting places for mob members and associates, facilitating communication and coordination of illegal activities. Gambling and betting. As a traditional source of income for organized crime, illegal gambling played a significant role in Gotti's operations. Beyond engaging in illegal sports betting and bookmaking, Gotti sought to expand his influence into the casino industry. Through illicit gambling operations, he generated substantial profits while utilizing legal loopholes and associates to minimize detection and evade law enforcement. Legitimate investments. To further camouflage his criminal activities, Gotti made legitimate investments in sectors such as real estate and stocks. By acquiring properties, he not only generated income but also gained leverage and power in various communities. Investing in publicly traded stocks allowed him to legitimize his funds and obscure the origins of his wealth, presenting a veneer of respectability. The challenge of law enforcement. Gotti's use of business fronts and legitimate enterprises posed a significant challenge for law enforcement agencies tasked with investigating and dismantling organized crime. The complexity and sophistication of these operations made it difficult to gather enough evidence to prove his direct involvement in illegal activities, allowing Gotti to operate with relative impunity for an extended period. Conclusion. John Gotti's ability to establish business fronts and control legitimate enterprises was instrumental in masking his involvement in organized crime. By leveraging various industries and investments, he blurred the lines between legal and illegal operations, making it challenging for law enforcement to dismantle his criminal empire. Gotti's savvy approach to business fronts reveals the enduring presence of organized crime and highlights the importance of vigilance in identifying and combating the hidden underbelly of criminal enterprises.